Hello students, let us continue chapter number 20. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is roids. When the peace of a region or an area is disturbed by violent activities of the crowd, it is called roids. Roids is quite common across the world. If we closely examine the general characteristic of any roids, we can find that most of the persons involved in roids are unaware of the actual purpose or root cause of the roid. Such people are present just to make a large crowd to spread havoc. Such crowd gathered without any common purpose or interest and just to disturb the peace of society. Such roids upset the administrative setup and law and orders. At times, such roids take a political turn and turns into a revolt or get transformed into a communal roids. It then risks the social well-being and harmony. Innocent citizens suffer due to such roids. Daily wage earners face huge problems as they cannot go to work. Roids damages property and also at times causes death and injury. National integrity and unity comes at risk due to roids. Now, what one should do during roids? Prevent talks that can spread rumor and violence. Form a peace committee in your residential area and be actively involved. Perform your civil duties by helping those affected by the roids. Now, what one should not do during roids? Do not spread rumor. Do not violate the instruction or curfew declared by the authority for maintaining law and order. Do not believe and spread baseless talks appearing in social media. Now, terrorists sometimes hijack a bus, train, or a plane to get their demand met with for releasing their accomplice from jail or for other demand. They bring pressure by taking the passengers as hostages. In such circumstances, the family members of the persons taken as hostages should maintain peace and support the working of the administration. In such instances, plans are implemented to relieve the citizens either by commandos operations or through the talks with the terrorist. Now the next topic is traffic problems. We have seen vehicles playing at a snail's speed and very close to each other on the roads of large cities. This situation is called traffic jam. When the means of transport come to a halt on the roads, the traffic problems occur. Such a situation occurs frequently on the busy roads of large cities. The vehicular traffic comes almost to a standstill during peak hours of commuting. At such though times, the vehicle's driver, travelers, and pedestrians experience mental stress. It takes time to control the situation or to normalize the vehicular traffic. Smoke from vehicles and other dirty things generated in large quantity create air and noise pollution. This affects the public hygiene of that region and also the growth of vegetation. Growing urbanization has created the traffic jam problems in almost all large cities of the world. There is a big queue of vehicles. When those vehicles which undertake relief work and rescue operations are stranded over the road, people lose their life. Example, starting of 108 ambulance, increase in traffic, negligence of drivers, and due to the ignorance in understanding the sign and symbols put along the road, cause many accidents every year. and many people lose their life. Death rate in India is very high due to the accidents on the roads. Sometimes a victim of an accident may become invalid permanently. Now, incidences appear in newspaper frequently about the accidents caused by minor driving a vehicle. On the highways, big disasters are caused due to heavy vehicular traffic and uncontrolled speedy vehicles. Accidents occur at unmanned railway crossing are the result of undue haste or ignoring the instructions shown there. Heavy traffic causes loss of time as well as fuel. If timely effective steps are not taken, advanced planning for traffic management and dedication to observe then are not implemented, then it is going to create risk of lives in the days to follow without an doubt. Now, what to do? Develop suburban townships near large cities and connect them intensively by facilitating public transport service. Separate tracks should be prepared for pedestrian and cyclist. Encroachment on the roads must be removed. Vehicles going at a very low speed or the vehicle pulled by man or by animals should be banned during peak hours. Information regarding the traffic rules should be conveyed to the citizen through the educational advertisements and public awareness programs. People going to their job or business at the same place and same time should arrange for carpool instead of going by individual vehicles. Digging and repairing work along and on the roads should be completed immediately. A tradition should be developed to take out any procession like marriage procession or religious procession etc. during lean period, that is hours, instead of peak hours of traffic. Infrastructural facilities like express highway, overbridge, flyover, ring road and bypass road should be developed. Every person going for the job should invariably use public transport at least once in a week. Use seat belt and helmet while driving. Provision of a strict punishment should be made for the drivers who are drunk, who do not have their driving license or drive recklessly, or for those who violate traffic rules. The driver should keep all the documents like RC book, PUC, that is certificate, etc. in the vehicle. Use fixed number plate recognized by RTO only. Keep the first aid box in the vehicle invariably. Drive your vehicle in the specific lane only. The driver should use the side mirror and keep his attention totally on driving. Drive the vehicle after checking that all doors are locked properly. Before stopping your vehicle, the parking light should be switched on. Use dipper, that is low beam, during night time for the convenience of a small vehicle and pedestrian. Put on shoes while driving vehicle. Vehicle going at a slow speed should always be driven on the extreme left side of the road. Overtake the vehicle only from its right side. Now, what not to do? Do not violate the traffic rules. Transportation of goods should not be carried out except for night time and early morning. Do not transport excess number of passengers and more than pre-decided limit and weight. Do not deface or spoil the instruction board, sign or symbol on the roads. These are meant for vehicle driver. Do not alter the design of the vehicle. Do not use cell phone, that is mobile, while driving vehicle. Do not drive a vehicle without putting on the seat belt or the helmet. A pedestrian crossing rail or road should not use earphone or cell phone, that is mobile. Do not enter into argument with person who control the traffic regarding their instruction. Guardian should not allow their minor children to drive vehicles as it is prohibited by law. Do not join a mob due to your inquisitiveness and obstruct the relief and safety work at the place of an accident. Do not use vehicles which are extremely old and which create more pollution. Always avoid musical horn and the horns which produce sound beyond permitted decibel level. The doors must not be opened while driving. The driver should not violate traffic signals during night or when the traffic is negligible. Children should not be allowed to play on the roads or in the area which have frequent more traffic. Do not drive after consuming drugs or liquor. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.